I got a CAC approval in 60 seconds. That's like 1 minute, without connections, without having to follow up. I got that reservation immediately. Like, if you've been trying to register a business, you're a business owner, you've been trying to register a business, or you've been thinking, about registering a business, the name availability is literally like the first stage of applying for a name. And in this video, guess what, I'm going to be showing you how I got a name availability approval within just 1 minute. That's in 60 seconds. I didn't have to do public search. I didn't have to even check if the name was going to be available or anything like that. I just went straight, did it, applied for it, and I got it within seconds. So if you want to know about how to apply for availability search, then you want to watch this video to the end. I'll also be giving you information at the end of this video, so you want to stay with me till the end of this video. Come back to the channel if you're just meeting me for the first time. My name is Joy Bob Echikonya, and I'm a legal practitioner based in Nigeria. I'm also a YouTuber, and on this channel I share legal tips on corporate law, compliance, small business owners. I also share a little tips on family law, and then also for young lawyers. So if any of that resonates with you, want to stay on this channel. So let's just get right into the video. So I'm just gonna come here and then open my own portal, and then I'm just gonna click on new availability, and then it's a company. You put the company, private company limited by shares, because that's the major or most popular company. Then I'm just gonna come right down here and impute the name of the company that must end with limited. And then because I'm not too sure, I'm just going to put other service activities. If you can't find your objects, just put other service activities, and then when you're doing the registration, you can impute it. And then I'm just going to click check on availability. So you can see that it's scrolling immediately. It's just going to check for me if it's available. You see it's available, it says congratulations, and then you can click on continue, and then continue to make your payment straightforward. Then you click on the remitter button. It's going to show you the price here, which is 1,000 naira. You go straight to remitter to make your payment. I prefer to do bank transfer because I noticed that it goes more this period. But make sure that you are not in a haste, because if you're doing it before and then you get the bank, you think that the banks are the same. Make sure you look at the bank, make sure you look at the account number, because it changes. It's not all the time that they use Fidelity Bank. They have other banks that they use, and the account numbers are not usually the same. So I'm just going to go to my bank. I'm going to go and do the transfer on my bank portal, and make sure to put the exact amount you see here. Once that is done, and you get approval that the money has been sent, what I'm going to do is I'll click I've sent the money. Then it's just going to be loading to check their systems to see whether the money has been sent. Once that is done, then you'll see that it will start scrolling. Don't go out of that screen. Make sure you wait. Once you wait, it will start loading. Don't be in a hurry to try to just wait for it. It's going to just roll gradually to get your name availability approval. It will take a very short period. Once that is done, you can see down here that is showing approved. It is already approved. They will even send you a mail, the email that you put. You just go straight to business registration immediately. That means the name availability has been approved and it's ready. I've gone to my mail here to check it, to see if it's there. You can do that, the mail that they give you. And I'm just going to come to action here and then go to business registration. That's how you get your name availability. Very fast, very efficient. Within 1 minute, I got this approval. You can see that once you go to business registration, you can start registering your business immediately. You can start registering your business immediately. Sorry about that. You can start registering your business immediately. You don't have to even wait. It's going to show me. You can see that it's saying put all the company information. Very easy. Guys, that's it. That is how you apply for name availability search on the new CAC automated portal. So just stay with this channel in the next coming weeks, because I'm going to be dropping videos on most of your frequently asked questions, all the answers you need on business registration, NGO registration, or anything CAC generally. So you want to stay on this channel. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and put your notification bell, so each time I post a video you get notified. I'm leaving a free checklist on requirements for business registration. If you've been thinking about registering an NGO, I'm also going to leave a link on how you can get the DIY toolkit of how to register an NGO by yourself without any help, without an accredited agent, or without a lawyer. So you want to also click on the link. Thank you guys for watching. Until I see you guys in my next video.